it fucking jump.
Alright guys, I'm just gonna start this video. Trying to break down some more of these shoes. We get this over with. I don't know what number these are, so after I make this video, I'll post the picture and I'll put whatever number these are down in the description below. So I'll open the box. So I'm just gonna bust it again. Pardon me guys, doing all this with one hand. Get up here. Nothing special with these. Like I said, just breaking down. I don't even know what these are, so I don't know. Still not here now. Like I said, sorry guys. Couldn't do it with one hand. Open this up. These are look like Jordan 1 mids. I'm only gonna take one shoe out the box. Let's see what the name of it is. Let's go down here, guys, and get some footage. Kind of whatever focuses. There we go. It's black, noble red, and white. Jordan 1 mid. Nothing special. I'm also testing out the phone, so pardon me guys if it doesn't come out right this time. I'm working. Like I said, I like these shoes. There's nothing special. This is just a GR Jordan 1 mid from this year, 2020. Can't get out of my box. Alright guys. Oh yeah, this is a very nice shoe. This is shoe number 1. Let's get on to shoe number 2. Alright guys, this is pair number 2. It's a new pair of Jordans that I like. The Jordan Mars 270. I'm trying to complete the whole collection. I have most of the colorways. This one is the Black Reflect and Silver Starfish, aka the Shattered Backboards. Let's go up here and get you guys into the shoe. This is StockX pair. I hope you guys can see that. I got this from StockX. I get a little card. That's what I paid for them. That's why I said it won't be too hard to get this whole collection because they're all about this price. Take the shoe out. Let's put our paper back. We're gonna fold this up and put all this into a turkey bag. I don't know if I'm gonna wear these or not. You see, let me show you how. So if you're selling stuff from StockX, don't really worry about the box too much. This is the box they sent me. I'll be killing myself making sure that everything's perfect is in the StockX, and this is what they send me back, but it's okay. This is the shoe. Oh, that's why you guys here. This is a Jordan Mars 720 Shattered Backboards. Very clean shoe. This and the St. Pierre's, I think, are my favorite Jordan 720, so I'm going to do a video with the St. Pierre's whenever I find them. There goes your little swag tag for those of you who like StockX shoes. So I'm going to number both of these shoes. And before you wear these shoes, guys, let me show you one more thing. Alright guys, like I said, I'm going to show you before you wear your shoes. I believe that you, especially any of these shoes in the video, any Jordan 1 or anything with the sort of Air Force 1 toe that you see here, make sure that you use your sneaker shields. They got the Gen X out. It's pretty good. It'll pretty much stop your shoes from creasing. You really can't feel it. I wouldn't go with the Pro model. I would just go with the regular. So let me take this out of here. This is the protector. This is if you have any holy grails. It's extra stiff. So make sure that like if you're putting it on some Travis Scotts or something, that it will absolutely not crease. You get the Pro model, but this is the regular. It's called the Universal for Jordan 1s, and I believe these 720s. You see how the toe box is the Air Force / Jordan 1 toe box. I use the Gen X Universal, so before I wear these, and my shoes never crease. So I got this in the shop in case anybody wants to get any. Just let me know. Make sure always before you wear the shoe, make sure you put that in there. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Woo, that's a clean shoe. Everybody fucking jump!